Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can open the back of the Nintendo Switch dock. So let's turn it around, like so. Over here we have the back of the dock where we can connect the power cable and the HDMI cable. In order to open it, over here we have to take this panel over here by grabbing it from the top over here. You might need to give a little power to it, and that's how you can open it. This is the inside of the back of the dock. Here you can connect the HDMI cable and the AC adapter, as well as the LAN cable. And that's it. Now, if you want to put it back on, it is also really easy to do. Over here, match it with, let me try to show you. Over here, you have these things over here on both sides. And what you need to do is simply put the top over here together with this this thing, like so, and then you can press it until you hear the click. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.